Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now, in the diseases caused by mutation in gene encoding structural proteins, number one is the Marfan syndrome. In Marfan syndrome, we can understand it by that there is a protein called as fibrillin 1 protein. Fibrillin 1 protein is encoded by FBN1 gene located at 5q21, 15q21. Now, what happens if there is a mutation in this gene, FBN1 gene? Then what happens that mutated fibrillin 1 protein is produced. Now, protein, this mutated protein has two basic effects, deleterious effects, two basic effects. Now, we are going to study the number one effect. What happens that this is an elastic fiber. This elastic fiber consists of some tropoelastin molecules and the elastic fibers, and these are the tropoelastin molecules. These tropoelastin molecules here are deposited by microfibrils. These are the microfibrils. And these microfibrils consist of fibrillin 1 protein. So what happens if this fibrillin 1 protein is mutated? It does not allow the assembly of microfibrils, and hence elastic fiber will not be formed and tropoelastin will not be deposited, etc. And number second effect is that if the gene is mutated and fibrillin 1 mutated protein is produced, then what happens that it activates transforming the mutated fibrillin 1 protein activates transforming growth factor TGF beta. This transforming growth factor increase in this transforming growth factor has deleterious effect on vascular smooth muscles. So now what happens that due to fibrillin 1 mutated protein, tall stature, long fingers, uh, subluxation of lens, mitral valve prolapse, aortic aneurysm, aortic dissection, and cardiovascular diseases, etc. occur. And there are deleterious effect on the vascular smooth muscles also. And this syndrome mainly affects the eyes. This syndrome mainly affects the skeleton, eyes, and cardiovascular system, etc.